Yay, it's lunchtime! Let's find out all about Titan, a new way to pay for lunch in the Pioneer School District. Titan replaces My School Bucks. If you had a My School Bucks account for your student and you left a balance, those funds will be applied to Titan if you choose to continue paying for meals online. Please note that no-cost breakfast is available in all Pioneer schools. At Delavan Elementary, breakfast and lunch are no cost for 22-23. We should say up front that there is a $2.60 credit card fee per transaction. That compares to a $3 fee per transaction using My School Bucks. The first step is to create an account in Titan's Family Portal. Visit this website, family.titankk12.com. Then click on Sign Up Today. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Finally, create a password and confirm that password. You must enter the names of each student or staff member associated with this account. Also, take note that in Titan, you can access menus by building and check up on what your student is eating. With Titan, you can make a one-time payment or recurring payment. For a one-time payment, sign into the Family Portal at family.titankk12.com. On the staff or student card, pick the three dots in the upper right corner of that student ID card. From the drop-down, select Add Money to Meal Account. Each person linked to this account, whether staff or student, appears with the following information: account members, current balance, deposit amount, and total after deposit. Finally, select Update Cart to update and be redirected to the cart. That's where you'll enter secure payment information. If you'd rather make a recurring payment, you can do that also. Recurring payments allow families to set automatic payments on student or staff accounts. Recurring payments process overnight on the date selected. On the home page, click Add New Recurring Payment. A payment amount is required and so is a billing address. Here you can select an existing address or click Add New Address. Enter a description such as home or work, then address, city, state, and zip. And remember to click Save. In the next section, you'll enter your payment method. If you're registering for the first time, you'll have to add a new payment method. Or if you've visited previously, you can choose an existing payment method. The system will ask you how often you'd like to make your recurring payment, and you'll need to tell it what to do if your balance falls below a certain amount, which you specify here. Here's where you tell Titan what date to begin the recurring payments. The default is today's date. Titan can also process online eligibility applications for free and reduced meals. Note that Pioneer will automatically certify any student who receives SNAP benefits. If parents have a question regarding their student's eligibility, they may contact the Pioneer Food Service office directly at 716-492-9347. Parents are required to fill out an eligibility form only if they believe they're income eligible for free or reduced meals. They will be notified via email or mail when their eligibility is determined. Parents do not need a password or account to fill out this application form. There's a special address that will show on the screen for free and reduced applications. And it's also linked to the free reduced button on the food service webpage. Just enter a few lines of information about your students, your family, and any benefits you receive, and you should be good to go. Bon appetit!